Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn 10 more fruits in Papiamentu. If you are ready, say sí, mitakla. Yeah, let's do it! Uh-oh! This is a coconut. Coconut in Papiamentu is Koko. Can you say that? Say Koko. Let's say it together. Koko.
This is a prune. Prune in Papiamentu
Is Preimu. Can you say that? Say Preimu. Preimu. Let's say it again together. Preimu. This is a melon. A melon in Papiamentu is milong. Yes, milong. Can you say that? Say milong. Good. Milong. This is a kiwi. Kiwi in Papiamentu is kiwi. Yes, it stays the same. Kiwi. These are raisins. Raisins in Papiamentu is rasinchi. Rasinchi. Can you say that? Say rasinchi. Okay, repeat after me. Rasinchi. Rasinchi. This is tamarind. Tamarind in Papiamentu is tamarain. Can you say that? Tamarain. Repeat after me. Tamarain. Good. Tamarain. This is an avocado. Avocado in Papiamentu is aguacate. Aguacate. Okay, let me hear you say aguacate. Okay, you try. Aguacate. Okay, good. This is a guava. Guava in Papiamentu is Guyaba. I love fruits. So guava in Papiamentu is Guyaba. Can you say Guyaba? Good. Repeat after me. Guyaba. Good. Guyaba. This is a soursop. Soursop is sorsaka. Can you say sorsaka? Oh, repeat after me. Sorsaka. Good. Sorsaka. Now let's repeat all the fruits that we just learned. Coconut is Koko.
Prune is Preimu.
Melon is milong. Kiwi is kiwi. Raisins is rasinchi. Tamarind is tamarain. Avocado is aguacate. Guava is Guyaba. Soursop is sorsaka. Na miwela sukas, ting hopi fruta dingkura. Pintende babosa, pintende babosa. Koko, koko. Preimu, preimu. Milong, milong. Kiwi, kiwi. Rasenchi, rasenchi. Tamarém, tamarém. Aguacate, aguacate. Guyaba, guyaba. Sorsaka, sorsaka. Let's do it again. And I say the fruit and you have to repeat. Na miwela sukas, ting hopi fruta dengkura. Pintende babosa, pintende babosa. Koko, Preimu, milong, kiwi, rasenchi, tamarém, aguacate, Guyaba, sorsaka. Let's test and see if you remember all the fruits in Papiamentu, okay? I'm gonna say, what fruit is this? But I'm gonna say it in Papiamentu. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? What fruit is this? And you have to scream it. Ready? Okay, let's play. What fruit is this? ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Are you sure? Good, yeah. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Okay, hopipong. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. You guys are doing amazing. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Are you sure? Good. Yes. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Okay, good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Yes, yes. One last one. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. You're going to run and the fruits are going to appear up here and we're going to jump and we're going to catch them with our cabeza, with our head. So you jump and catch them. Are you ready? Let's run. Thank you everyone for having so much fun with me today as we learned fruits in Papiamentu. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!